thisworx corded car vacuum. Okay, I've had one before, and it was like a little blue one by a tire company or something, like Goodyear, and it was horrible. Barely sucked up anything, and it fell apart right away. I did get this for Christmas. Free replacement of any part of the set, filter bag nozzles. Purchase is covered for a year. Return less refund or replacement of the full set. Feel something wrong, we'll send you a brand new one. I really like that. I love excellent customer service. People that deliver to their customers. If they don't, they do something to make it right. So what's in here, guys? Rose gold color, that's cute. An extra filter. Little brush. Pretty long cord. A little nozzle, and you know the problem with most vacuums, even car vacuums, they make it so these things are not even small enough to get in the cracks of your vehicle. It's like, who wants to go to a car wash, especially for a vacuum, because it's not going to even clean your vehicle where you need it to clean. But this is a pretty small crevice cleaner, and I think it's going to actually fit. As far as this thing having enough power, I don't know, but oh, look at it, it's a little scented thing. And it comes with a bag. Yeah. This works. Let's put a crevice thing on here. Trying to do this video by myself. I'm not a professional, bear with me. This is frustrating. Just trying to hold a camera and do a video. One moment, people. I can't even pause my video, so bear with me. Okay, so I hook this thing up there. I don't know if this is how it goes. It's got this teeny little thing. And I think I'm going to hook up this little nozzle. Little crevice cleaner. I can't open this either. I have to open it with my teeth. Okay, so that hooked onto there, and it looks pretty thin, like it could actually maybe get into some crevices. So I'm going to turn it on and clean up the dirt from my back seat that my daughter spilled. On accident, because we're taking plants home, getting excited about spring. See if we can turn some lights on back there first. See the dirt? Oh, let's see. you guys, it doesn't have like super power, but it does have a guarantee. If you don't like it, you can get a return or something's wrong with it. And it did suck up that dirt without a problem. The thing is with these car things, I probably can only use so much voltage safely. I don't really know, but it did clean up everything that I needed to here. One thing I think would be great if it could have a little bit more power, but it cleaned up the dirt that I needed. And again, cleaned up the Miracle-Gro. And this is a TWC01 corded car vacuum. This works.